Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can blink a LED with Arduino. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you what component we need for this project. So this is a very basic project. So first component which we need for this project is the microcontroller board. Okay. So you can see here I am using the Arduino UNO version of the Arduino microcontroller board. Okay, this is our microcontroller board, and we need a LED. So you can see here I am using a LED. I am using a red color LED. You can use any color of the LEDs. Okay, and we need another component which is a resistance. Okay, so this resistance will be 20 ohms. Okay, so you can see here we just need three simple component. Okay, one is I don't know UNO board, one is LED, and another is resistance of 220 ohms. So let's move and make the circuit. So we know the LED have two terminals. One is anode and another is cathode. Anode means positive and cathode is negative. So we'll connect the resistance with the positive terminal of the LED. So I'm connecting the wire with LED, positive terminal and resistance. Okay, this is a red wire. Okay, so you can see here I connected the resistance with the LED positive terminal or anode. Okay, and the another terminal of the LED, which is cathode or ground, will connect it with the ground pin of the Arduino UNO. Okay, so we are taking a jumper wire and connecting it with the LED negative terminal. So you can see the Arduino UNO ground pin is connected with the ground pin cathode of the LED. Okay. So now we'll connect the positive pin with the Arduino board. Okay. So we connecting a wire with the resistance and connecting it with pin number digital pin 3, and this will be a red signal. Okay. So you can see here the circuit is completed. What we do here, we connected the positive with the pin number 3 of the Arduino UNO, the use of a resistance 220 ohms, and we connected the ground pin or cathode pin of the LED with the ground of the Arduino pin. Okay, so now move to the code. So you can see here it's a very simple and very basic code. So in the void setup, we know we write our setup code here. So pin mode 3 output means we are telling the microcontroller that the Arduino pin digital pin 3 is our output pin for to control the LED. Okay. Now next you can see the void loop function. So in the void loop section we'll write our main code which we want to repeat. Okay. So in this case what we want, first of all we want to glow the LED and then it will off. Okay. So you can see a digital write function is used for to hide pin number 3 and then delay, and then we used digital write function for to load the LED. Okay, and then taking a delay 100. Okay, so this is the main code. Okay, so now we'll run the code and see what will happen. Okay, so you can see here LED is glowing and blinking as we using a small amount of delay, that's why it's blinking so fast. So if we increase the delay and then run it, then you can see it's blinking slowly. Okay, it's clear. For to control the speed of the LED, we use the delay function. Okay, so like this, you can use multiple number of LEDs Just you need to modify this code also. Okay, so now I'm stopping the simulation, and you can see here the LED is off. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.